This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the USB installer and confirming prerequisites. Download the official Windows ISO and the preferred tool like Rufus. You need at least an 8 GB USB. Format the drive and copy the image to create a bootable installer, because a clean, correctly configured USB lets the PC boot reliably. Once done, note the target PC's boot key and whether secure boot or RAID drivers are present, since those details determine the next steps and prevent installer failures. You now boot from the USB and run the installer. This is where attention matters. Enter BIOS or UEFI, set the USB first, and reboot into the Windows setup. Choose language and time to match your region. For a fresh install, pick Custom, remove old Windows partitions, create a primary partition, and format it so the installer can write files. If the installer does not see your NVMe or RAID disk, load the appropriate drivers from the USB. That step resolves most missing disk problems. You finish by completing out-of-box experience settings, installing drivers, and running Windows Update so the system is secure and stable. Activate Windows using your product key or digital license, then install antivirus and essential apps. If the system fails to boot after installation, make sure the USB is removed, verify boot order, and try Windows Startup Repair from the installer environment. If problems persist, recreate the USB installer correctly and reattempt. That often fixes corrupt media.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.